Hi everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. Today we have one of my first Timo hauls ever. Eller hur känner du? Ever.
Forever.
Oh. So my daughter is home today being sick. Yeah. Ska säga hej hej. This is going to be very difficult to film, but we are going to try. Timo reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a collaboration, and of course I'm eager to test out their products. I ordered some clothes for me, some for my daughter, and just some jewelry and some random stuff. I tried on the 4 dresses I ordered, so I'm going to show you them right now on the screen. I actually love them. They were really beautiful and affordable. You can order your regular size. I sized up and they were a bit big, some of them. Around the waist, so you can pick your usual size. These will look beautiful in the summer, maybe for midsummer. My friend is also going to baptize her child, so I will definitely use one of these dresses for that occasion. Okay. Ska vi öppna? Ska vi visa din klänning?
Yeah.
Yeah, so first we have a dress for Chanel. And, well, I guess these will run a little big as well, because I ordered one size bigger for her too. And this is just a little summer dress. And some bows for her. So let's open them. These are so cute. Do you want to try one? On the back they have like, well, they're soft, so you don't get hurt. That's appreciated. Let's move on. Oh, yeah, right. This is a plate for Chanel.
Yeah.
Really beautiful color, and you know, you can fold it and put it into your nursing bag. And on the back you have these, so you can push it and press it to the table. This is really nice, and it's bigger than I thought it would be. Okay, this is really good. And before we continue, I must tell you that I have a coupon, and you can search on my coupon on the Timo, in the Timo app. Free shipping and all of that if you're a new member. So if you use my coupon, you will get like a big pack of coupons. I will write everything down below so you can go check it out. So this is a hairband. Well, obviously this is for Chanel, not me. That's beautiful. And I think this was very affordable. These are so cute. I bought a pair of socks for my daughter. Those are so cute. It looks like good quality and good size. Then I bought balloons, like a whole bag of them. This a bit sharp in the shade or color for me. Always good to have. This is for my daughter. Okay. That's so thick. Even have a little price tag. Oh my god, I love it. Definitely have to try this on her. But it has a size tag on the outside. That's a bit weird. But this feels like really, really, really nice quality. Like something you buy in a really expensive store. Okay, Temu. And the next one, a dress for my daughter. I think this will be a bit big as well because, yeah, 100. I think the actual dress is nice and good, but the shoulders may be too long for her. I don't know, we'll have to try it on. Okay, nice. Oh, it's a bracelet. Obviously you can shorten it to something like that. I love these. I think I bought a necklace as well. I love it. Not too much. Okay, we only have a couple of things left. So a little bag. This is seriously so cute. It's a little pumpkin, a bag for Chanel. I mean, how cute is that? Well, they have other motives as well, and they were seriously, I love this one. It feels like good quality. It's not the biggest bag, but I mean, for a 2.5-year-old little girl, she can put her gold coins or something in this when she's going to the store buying candy. And these ones for your powder. And I really wanted to try this when I saw Tati Beauty. I think she made a similar one. This is so soft. I can take off all my excess oil. A little less oily. So 3 of them. Really affordable as well. I mean, all of this stuff is so affordable. Just be really thorough when you look through the comments and see if any other customers have left a picture or something and talked about the size, so you know you get the best of the stuff. And then we have these little stickers. I love to scrapbook, so I felt like I had to choose something for my scrapbooking. Flower. Just a lot of stickers. And the last product, hair clips. They feel like very nice actually. Okay, let's try. No. I never uses these hair clips, but I see everyone else do. I don't even know how you use them. I mean, they work and they look very nice. Okay, that's everything for today. This is a very short video, and well, it's very difficult to film when she's home, and when I don't have a babysitter. So I'm sorry if you hear all this background noise, but I really wanted to film and record this today. So yeah, and again, check out the description box down below, and I will write down all the details for receiving this discount or coupons, or yeah. Let me know if you want me to buy more Temu stuff or yeah, anything else. Have a nice day. I see you in the next video, and I love you guys. Bye.